Hello guys. So today we are going to discuss custom control, how to create the custom control in Angular 20. So for Angular 20 folder, I have created the project day 5 today. As earlier we are creating day wise project, right? So same thing we have created day 5 project today. So let's start to create the custom component. Before creating the custom component, what I need to do, I need to run this applications. So for running, we required cmd command. So in the cmd window, we will write the command, our project in the F drive. And in the F drive, we have the folder Angular 20 CD. And inside the Angular 20, we have the project day 5. Now need to run this using ng serve. So once you will hit the ng serve, it will launch the applications to us. It's building first, and once build done, it will launch the application. So it is using default port as usual. So our day 5 project is running fine. So now what we need to do, we need to create our custom control. So for creating the custom control, we need to create inside the src folder. We already have default app component, right? So in the src, we can create the folder with the name of custom. We have created the folder custom. Inside the custom, I need to create the file, which is the TypeScript file with the same name. .ts and here we need to write our custom component code. Okay, so first step, we need to be import the component. So we have imported the component. Second thing, we need to be have the class export class. Our class name is the custom. So now we have the component directives. @component, and then inside this we have the selector. We need to be passed the selector name here. Custom, and then second thing what we need to pass, we need to be passed the HTML template, right? We are using template here, not using template URL, because we do not have the HTML file here. So we can write our HTML codes like a inline code. So we have two things right here. So we'll use the template. So inside this, you can write your HTML code. I'm taking h1 tag. And inside the h1, we can write our code, our statement. Hello, Vishwa, I want to print. Okay. So if I need to run this, so our custom component created, but we need to be import this into the app root. So we have the app.ts. So inside the app.ts, we need to import first this. So we have custom, we have imported this, and then once you import it, you need to be show it here. HTML tag, inside the HTML tag, take the selector name. So it is our selector name. Once you will run this, you will be able to see I need to save. It is the saving issue. Just I need to save all the files. Yes, it is coming now. Are you able to see the output, right? So what happened, we did not save the earlier properly. So now my next step is like we can have the style also here. So if you see here, right, style URL, instead of style URL, we are going to be use the style tag there. So we can have the style also. So what we can do, we can have the not like this, comma, then style, and you can have style like this. Write your CSS h1 inside this, color red. I'm taking this. So I want to see like this style is getting applied or not. So if you see here, we can apply the CSS also. So this is the way you can create your custom component. So what is the benefit of creating this? You will be avoiding unnecessary files. You will be avoiding, like if you have very small logic, you could not take the separate file. For this you can write in a custom, and you can reuse in the multiple times. It will provide the reusability. Thank you very much to see this video, and please subscribe my channels. And if you like this video, do the like hit button. Thank you very much.